Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video after a lot of research which came up with one of the best company in restaurant sector. Today we will have a detailed look on Devyani International Limited. Today we will have a look about the company. Today we will also have a look about the key financial highlights of the company, especially on the balance sheet and profit and loss account of the company, and on the holdings and inside trades of the company, and also some of the pros and cons of the company. And at last I will share you my own views about this company, whether I am going to add this company on my portfolio or not. So let's have a look about the company. So the company has the largest franchisee of Yum brand in India. The company is the largest operator of the quick service restaurant chain in India. The famous brand includes KFC, Pizza Hut, Costa Coffee, and basically there are more in India. The company has 655 stores across 155 cities in India as on 31st March 2021. So now we will have a look about the company has the largest franchisee of Yum brand. So what Yum brand actually have? So Yum Brand is an American fast food corporation and is one of the world's largest fast food company in terms of system unit. The company has various brand names which includes KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell and many more. So the company operates in 135 nations and territories worldwide. Now let's have a look on the revenue breakdown of the company. So the company gets 61% of its revenue from KFC, followed by Pizza Hut, which contributes about 27% of its revenue, and the remaining is contributed by the Costa Coffee brand. Company had 284 KFC stores in India. Company has 370 Pizza Huts and 44 Costa Coffee stores as per June 2021. Now let's have a look on the agreement of the company which has been signed by the Devyani International Limited and the Yum brand. So as we know that the company has a franchisee of Yum brand. So the company actually pay $53,400 if the company opens a new KFC store in India, and if the company opens a new Pizza Hut store, then the company has to pay $26,700 to the Yum brand. Eventually the company also gets 6.5% of its revenue from Devyani International Limited on sales, and 6% of its gross revenue come as a royalty for the Costa Coffee International Limited. So these are some of the franchisee agreement which was signed by Devyani International Limited. So now let's have a look about the graph of the company. So the current price of the company as on 10th November 2022 is almost around 180 rupees. The company has an all-time high record of 182 rupees, where the low was 175.55 rupees. In 1 year, the company has given negative 15% returns to its shareholders. So this was basically the graph of the company. Now let's have a look on the fundamental key highlights of the company. So the market cap of the company is 21,264 crores. The PE of the company is 75.6. The ROC, which is return on capital employed, is 16%. The book value is 6.8 rupees. The ROE, which is return on equity, is 42.8%, whereas the dividend yield is 0.00% and the face value is 1 rupees. If you see the 5 years profit, so it was 28.1%, and sales growth since 5 years is 14.8%. Now let's have a look on the main competitors in this particular sector market. So Devyani International Limited comes in the first list in terms of quick service restaurant. So you can just pause the video and watch the comparison between the Devyani International with its competitor. Now let's have a look on the quarterly results of the company. So in quarterly results, we have just marked the important things. So the sales of the company has keep on increases from September 2020 to September 2022. The company's operating profit as on September 2020 was 22 crores, whereas in September 2022 it's almost around 166 crores. The OPM, which is operating profit margin of the company, has overall increases from 10% in September 2020 to 22% in September 2022. Whereas the net profit, which comes out after deducting the tax and other expenses, so it was around negative 67 crores as per September 2020, whereas it was positive almost 57 crores in September 2022. So this was the quarterly results of the company. Now let's have a look on the profit and loss account of the company. So the sales of the company has keep on increases over time. The OPM, which is operating profit margin of the company, has keep on increases to 23% as per TTM. The operating profit is negative 1 crores in March 2016, whereas it's almost 619 crores as per TTM. The net profit, which comes out after deducting tax and other expenses, so it was negative 130 crores on March 2016, whereas it was positive 274 crores as per TTM. The EPS, which is earning per share of the company, on March 2016 was negative 12 rupees, whereas in right now it's almost around 2.25 rupees on positive side. Now let's have a look on the balance sheet of the company. So in balance sheet, the reserve of the company has increases over time from 70 crores to 704 crores as per September 2022. The other liabilities, which may be includes in a form of long term loans, so it has increases over time from 200 crores to almost 360 crores. The borrowings of the company, which may be in a form of creditor and other short term loans, so it was 350 crores on March 2016, whereas in September 2022 it's almost around 1412 crores. So this was as per the liability side. On the asset side, the fixed assets of the company has increases over time, which is 500 crores on March 2016, whereas it is almost around 2054 crores as per September 2022. The other assets, which maybe includes in a form of debtors, inventory, so it is almost 192 crores as on March 2016, whereas it is around 540 crores as per September 2022. So this is the overall balance sheet of the company. Now let's have a look on the cash flow of the company. So in cash flow, the net cash flow comes out after adding operating activities from investing activities and financial activities. So on March 2017 it was negative 9 crores, whereas in March 2022 it's almost around 17 crores, which is on a positive side. So this is the overall cash flow of the company. Now let's have a look on the important ratios of the company. So in main ratio, the first one is debtors day. So the debtors day has overall decreases over time. And as per March 2022, it's almost around 4 days. So the debtors day ratio measures how quickly cash has been collected from debtors. The inventory day has increases over time from 45 days to 52 days. So the inventory day ratio is the average time a company keeps its inventory before it is being sold. So the cash conversion cycle is on negative side. So it means that the number of days that the company takes to convert its investment in inventory and other resources into cash flow from sales. The ROC, which is return on capital employed, has increases over time, that is on negative 19% as per March 2017, whereas it was around positive 16% as on March 2022. So this is the overall main ratios of the company. Now let's have a look on the pros and cons of the company. So in pros, the company has shown a good profit growth of 82.19% in the last 3 years. The company has shown a good revenue growth of 20% in the last 3 years. The company has significantly decreased its debt by 313 crores. The company is virtually debt free. And in cons, in the last 3 years, the tax rate seems to be low. The company is trading at a high PE ratio of 80.6. The company is trading at the high EV or EBITDA of 41.09. So this is the overall pros and cons of the company. Now let's have a look on the holdings of the company. So as per June 2022, the total promoters holding is around 62.8%, which is unplaced. The mutual fund owns 3.04%, whereas DII holds 3.22% and FII holds 6.87%. Similarly, retail owns 24.07%. But as on September 2022, you can just compare with June 2022. So the total promoter is same. The mutual fund has increases by almost 1%. The DII has also increases its stake. The FII has also increases its stake, but the retail stake has decreases by 3%. Now my own view about this company. So I feel that the company's short-term borrowings is very high, which is around 1400 crores. Similarly, the company's PE ratio is very high, which is 80.6, and in the recent data it has been founded that the target price for this company is around 220 rupees, and right now it is trading around 175 rupees. So this is the overall view of the company, and the company is good as the company has a dominant market in the quick service restaurant, and the company's profit is overall increasing as per March 2022. So I think that the company is overall a good one. The company has a very strong portfolio, and the revenue is coming from the basically from the top 3 companies. So overall you can see that the company's sales has increases over time, and it's going to increase over time, and especially from Zomato and Swiggy, the company used to sell more of its product. So this is the overall result of the company. So I am little bit bullish about this company. So I am going to add this company on my watch list. So tell me whether you are going to apply for this company or not, or whether you have this company on your portfolio or not on the comment section. I will love to hear them from you. Thank you so much for spending some time with us. We will back with another topic. Till then, bye and have a nice day. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share with your friends and family. And if you have already done that, thanks for supporting the channel, and we are back with another topic. Till then, bye and have a nice day. And this is not a buy or sell recommendation video. This is just for your personal knowledge. Do your own analysis before spending. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.